So here's how you can fix collaborate grayed out in YouTube playlist in your mobile phone. So for that reason, first of all, open up your YouTube application and simply go with the profile icon on the bottom right side corner. And then from here, as you can see, there are all of the playlist. So you need to tap on the view all. And this is the playlist. I want to make it like fix the collaborative grayed out. So I will select this one. And then from here, you need to select the pencil icon right over here. So it will take some time. As you can see, the collaborative option is grayed out. So to fix this one, we need to tap on the visibility option and simply make it like public and save it up. So once you have saved, once again go with the pencil icon, and as you can see, the collaborative option now working. So that's how you can simply fix collaborate grayed out in YouTube playlist. So hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.